can't be that bad. Just a little peek inside, that's all. Hard to see. Hello? What's this then? Ta-da! Look at that!
Calvin, I insist you come right back here. You know what Boing said.
It's all right, Mayor. It must be safe because it's all nicely lit. I'm just gonna have a little look-see, that's all.
Oh, that Calvin. This isn't good at all. What shall I do?
It's my lucky day! Woohoo! Uh-oh. Mayor, this cat seems to be out of control. Help! Mayor! Help!
I knew it! I knew it! Oh, Calvin's done it now! What do I do? I know! This is a job for the Play Rangers! My, what a comfy bush to greet me!
Mayor?
What? Oh! I am sorry to report that Calvin disregarded your advice and entered the crystal mine! And now he's in deep trouble on a runaway cart! Oh, dear!
Calvin just can't help himself. He loves anything shiny.
No time to argue about it now. Mayor and IE, please take the kids back to the campsite. Play Rangers, it's teamwork time! Lumpy Wheelie, we need you right away! Let's go in. Calvin! Hey, Calvin! The Play Rangers are here!
Guys, I've located him in the mine.
Way to go, Tori! Let's go!
Kangaroo! Jump! Whew.
Listen to poor Calvin.
We gotta hurry.
Oh, Tori, you transform into a cart. We can use the rail to reach Calvin faster.
Great idea, Mongbar.
No problem.
Calvin! We're coming to rescue you! Tor, how soon do you think we'll arrive?
I think just about now.
Calvin, are you all right?
Never better, mates.
We were so worried about you.
Before you go on, just let me say, 1, I'm sorry. But 2, wait till you see what I've found. Just turn around, mates, turn around.
Whoa,
Look at that.
so shiny. It's a beautiful giant crystal ball, Calvin. But we're in danger. We have to get out of here.
Mongbar's right. Let's get back to the entrance the same way we came in. Calvin, jump aboard. We're going home.
Oh, but can't I just have one more minute with this beautiful crystal ball? It's just so shiny. Oh well, I'll hop aboard, Rangers.
We're blocked! Can't get around it to go back!
Then deeper we'll go. Come on, let's stay on the rail.
Where are we going, Boyd?
I don't know, but we have no choice.
It's gaining on us! Boy, look ahead!
Now what?
Mongbar, transform into a rail and I'll toss you across.
Got it, Boing.
Way to go, Mongbar.
Boing.
Boing! Gotcha!
Yeah! It's a dead end!
Crikey! Now what do we do?
Jump to the sides and spread out!